To track and monitor your inventory, you can use the inventory function. We have multiple filters that you can use to get the quantity in regards to its status. To learn more, you can refer to the help documentation. So let's start with the formula. You can use the Gorilla _inventory formula. The first parameter is seller ID. I have mine typed in D1. Log this. Then it's the SKU. SKU is required. You can also use SN, but it is suggested to use SKUs instead, as they are always going to be unique. Log these as well. Then all the other parameters are optional, but for this video we are going to use the status and fulfillment parameters. So let's skip the marketplace parameter. Now comes the status parameter, and the status we can use here we have already typed in the headers. So these are the statuses. Total or all, I have typed in all, fulfillable and so on. So we are going to use the headers as the statuses. For fulfillment, you can either keep it blank and it's going to use all by default, or we can use either FBA or FBM. So I have this drop down menu already created here. I'm going to use the FBA SKUs. Log this as well and hit tab. This is what I get. This is the total inventory. I can just go ahead and remove these. Since I have logged the ranges that I don't want to change, I can do something like this where I drag the formula from E3. So you see the status parameter automatically changed to fulfillable since we did not log this cell. In case your data does not load or shows an error, or your subscription ID do not save, then you will need to use incognito mode of your browser. For people in Europe, they will need to use semicolon instead of comma depending on their locale settings. Thank you.